Hello, this is RT Sales. This is one of our rebuilt Winona Van Norman CG-250. This machine has been completely disassembled. The table ground, the base ground, head and tail stock bearings have been replaced. Head and tail stock are hand scraped into alignment. The grinding wheel slide is taken off, ground, hand scraped in to the original center line height. All the electric motors on this machine have been completely rebuilt. All of the electrical controls are evaluated and gone through. Hydraulic pump motors are rebuilt. All of the spindle motor is all rebuilt. The spindle bearings are refitted to the spindle. This machine is ready to go. We'll grind up to a 60-inch crankshaft. If you have any questions, call Russ at RT Sales 248-887-0422. Boom.